So, today we will solve another problem on the length of a circle. The condition of the problem is as follows. A wheel with a circumference of 84 centimeters has traveled a distance and made 35 revolutions. How many revolutions will make a wheel with a circumference of 98 centimeters, having traveled the same distance? Let's write down the condition. The circumference length of one wheel is 84 centimeters, and I will write down. The length of the circumference of the first wheel is 84 centimeters. The wheel with a circumference length of 84 centimeters has made 35 revolutions. The number of revolutions equals 35. And the other wheel, which has a circumference of 98 centimeters, how many revolutions will this wheel make if the distance is equal? Let us visualize this situation. One wheel that has a circumference length of 84 centimeters. All right, the length of the circumference of the first wheel has made 35 revolutions and traveled some distance, 35 revolutions. And the other wheel, which has a circumference length of 98 centimeters, let's write C2, traveled the same distance. Or in an unknown number of revolutions, we need to determine the number of revolutions that the second wheel made. This problem can be solved if we use the formula for finding the length of the circle. But there's another way to do it. Let's talk about another way. If the length of the circle is 84 centimeters, then the wheel has made 35 revolutions. If the length of the circle is 98 centimeters, what is the number of revolutions the second wheel has made? Well, without using formulas for the length of the circumference, we will solve this problem by making a proportion. But first, we need to determine what kind of proportionality it is. If the length of the circle is increasing, then the number of revolutions will decrease. Why? Because the second wheel has a longer circumference. Then the proportion will be the inverse of the ratio. And then I will make the proportion 84 to 98. Just like, let's write the number of revolutions in n equals 35. But be careful when making proportions. If the length of the circle increases, the number of turns will decrease. And this is an inverse proportionality. Using the basic property of proportion, find the number of turns and equals 84 times 35 and divide by 98. 84 times 35 is 2,940 divided by 98 equals 30. The wheel that has a longer circumference will make fewer revolutions. We solved this problem by making a proportion, and today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.